Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News, and this is Hena Talati. The India Meteorological Department has issued an alert for the formation of cyclone Jawad, which may hit the coast of Andhra Pradesh and Orissa on December 4 morning, with the wind speed ranging to 100 km per hour. The Met Department said the depression intensified into a deep depression over west central adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal at 5:30 a.m. local time of December 3, 2021. The cyclonic storm will intensify during the next 12 hours and reach the North Andhra Pradesh-Orissa coast by tomorrow morning. Various states like Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha have been alerted as authorities have held meetings over the preparations for the cyclone. According to the IMD, the low pressure area over the central Andaman Sea has moved west-northwestwards, becoming a well-defined low pressure area over the southeast Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman Sea. On Wednesday evening, it moved west-northwestwards and consolidated into a depression over the southeast and adjoining east central Bay of Bengal. It is expected to move northwestwards and intensify into cyclone Jawad over central parts of the Bay of Bengal over the next 24 hours, reaching the west central Bay of Bengal off the coast of North Andhra Pradesh and South Odisha around Friday morning. Following that, it is expected to move northwestwards, the Met Department said. The cyclone is likely to trigger heavy to very heavy rainfall in almost all the districts of the South Bengal. Accordingly, the West Bengal government has issued warnings to the farmers to reap and bind the corn that is still lying on the fields because the severe rainfall might cause heavy damage to the crops. According to the alert issued by the state government, heavy to very heavy rainfall is likely to occur on December 4 and 5 in several districts of the state, including Kolkata, South and North 24 Parganas, East and West Mednapur, Howrah, Hooghly, Nadia and Jhargram. The Met Department also predicted that the temperature will rise gradually in all these districts. As per the PMO, the Prime Minister directed officials to take every possible measures to ensure that people are safely evacuated, to ensure maintenance of all essential services such as power, telecommunication, health, drinking water, etc., and they are restored immediately in the event of any disruption. Meanwhile, the hills of North India are all set to see some rainy and snowy spells in coming days. All thanks to western disturbance which will approach the western Himalayas by December 4. This system will result in snowfall activity over the hills as well as some rainfall activity and temperature change in the plains of North India. The Himalayan temple of Kedarnath and the high altitude areas of Chamoli district received the season's first snowfall on Thursday, while it drizzled in the lower areas, intensifying the chill across the state. Besides the Kedarnath shrine in Rudraprayag district, the Musk Deer Park, Valley of Flowers and Nanda Devi National Park in Chamoli district also received snowfall, officials in Dehradun said. The sky remained overcast in the plains with the isolated light showers several places including state capital Dehradun. The Meteorological Department has predicted a 3-day wet spell beginning Friday evening, with the main weather activity likely on Sunday in the form of light snowfall in the plains and moderate snowfall in the high reaches of Kashmir. The high reaches of Kupwara, Baramulla, Bandipora, Shopian and Ganderbal districts may receive 6 to 9 inches of snow during above period, said the advisory issued by the Met. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, please subscribe our channel.